Good morning, students. Okay, very good morning to all. How are you? I hope all of you fine at your home. Okay, now welcome to KRL Memorial CBSE School, Mudhod. I am your English teacher. My name is Geeta Mantu. Okay, see here, this is 5th standard class. Okay, this is 5th standard class, subject English. Subject English, 5th standard class. Okay, see here students, yesterday means previous class we will start one of the interesting lesson. Which lesson we will start yesterday? Which lesson we will start yesterday? Yes, lesson number 6, Clock confused. Lesson number 6, Clock confused. Okay, see here, yesterday we will start this lesson. We already learned difficult words in this lesson also, and half of the lesson we will complete yesterday. All about this lesson. Chloe confused. Chloe is one of the child. Okay, Chloe is one of the child. All her teacher and his friends also all are confused, and Chloe also confused because her name pronunciation was very different, so all are confused. And see here, some of the English words pronunciation was different and spelling was also different, and some of the words beginning same letter but pronunciation was very different. So this is also same problem. See here, Chloe. Previous class we will know. CHLOE, chlo. Okay, we all pronounce chlo, but this lesson, what they say, see here, pronounce that chlo. Okay, see here, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು CHLOE ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗೈತಿ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆಸರಾಗೈತಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಚಲೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಇದನ್ನ KLOE ಕ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ. ಓಕೆ, yesterday we will learn this all, and one of her friend Charlie was always tease to her. Okay, tease to her. Then her teacher name is Mrs. Chen is her teacher. She is also teased to her. That time she was very angry. Okay, all teased to her, so she was always cross. What is the meaning of cross? Cross means angry. Okay, yesterday we will learn these all things. Okay, now in this class we will go to next part. Okay, remaining lesson. So now all of you open your textbook, page number 62. Page number 62. Now all of you open your textbook. Okay, I hope now all of you open your textbook. So now I will start the lesson. See here, yesterday we learned her teacher was very hurt to her because her name for some words for chalk. First one word is chalk, and second one is chart. Next one is chart. This word her teacher was says, and that words beginning her name letters. Okay, beginning her name letters. So her teacher teased to her. Okay, that time she was very stupid mind name say to herself. Okay, next Chloe was cross. Chloe was cross with Mrs. Jane for telling the children that C and H made a CH sound as the one in cheese. She was cross with Charlie for teasing her about her name. She was cross with her parents for giving her a name that began with CH but did not sound like the CH in chocolate. See here. Chloe was cross with Mrs. Jane for telling the children that C and H made Che sound as the one in the cheese. See here. Already her teacher was teased to her for chalk. The chalk and second is chart. Then her teacher says C and H made a CH that means cheese. Okay, next one word cheese. Okay, that time she was very cross. She was cross with Charlie for teasing her about her name. She was very angry when her teacher was teased to her. That Charlie is also always teased to her because her name. So he was also cross with him. She was cross with her parents. Then she was cross with her parents also because why she was cross with her parents? Yes, cross with her parents for giving her a name that began with CH. Began with CH. So she was cross with her parents. But did not sound like the CH in chocolate. But did not. They gave a name CH. Began with CH. Her parents gave a name began with CH. But did not sound like the CH in chocolate. But did not sound like a CH in chocolate. Then Chloe had a cross look on her face when she reached home after school. What has happened? Asked Mrs. Cheryl, her mother. She here, her mother name is Mrs. Cheryl. Okay, her mother name. Her mother name. Chloe, mother name is Mrs. Cheryl. Okay. Chloe had a cross look on her face when he reached home after school. When she reached home after the school, she was very cross because Charlie and her teacher always teased to her. So she was very cross when go to home. She was angry with that time. Okay. What was happened? Asked her Cheryl, her mother. See here. When her mother, she to her face. That time her mother asked to Chloe, what has happened? Then her mother, Chloe told her mother why she was so angry. Chloe told to her mother when she was asked to Chloe, what has happened? That time Chloe replied to her mother, told all matter. Okay, she was so angry. Why she was so angry? All that matter she told to her mother. Right, said her mother. Right, said her mother. We shall go for a walk and talk about it. And after tea, her mother held Chloe's hand gently and walked out of the house. Right, said mother when she was told all matter in that school and why she was angry. Then right, said her mother told to her, right. Then we shall go for a walk. Then her mother said to Chloe, we shall go for a walk. We both of you, I and you, go for a walk and talk about it. Go for a walk and talk about it. About means this word, this name, okay, this problem, matter, we will talk about walk with, okay. And after tea, her mother held, and after tea, when she was drink a tea, then after tea, her mother held Chloe's hand gently. Then they drinking tea was complete. That time her mother means Chloe mother hold close hand gently and walked out of the house, and both are all walked out of the house. Okay. Then where are we going? Asked Chloe. When her mother come out of the house, that time Chloe asked to her mother, where are we going? Where are we going? We are going to for a reading walk, answered her mother. Chloe mother answered to Chloe. Okay, mother name Mrs. Cheryl answered to Chloe. We are going for a reading walk. We are going for a reading walk. Chloe wondered what her mother meant by a reading walk. She was wondered what her mother asked reading walk. She was confused. Okay. Look there, said Mrs. Cheryl when she was out of the house, and then look there. Then Chloe come to near church. That time Mrs. Cheryl said to Chloe. Look there, said Mrs. Cheryl to Chloe. We shall stop here for a minute. They were standing in front of a church. Her mother and she is also standing in front of church. See, all of you see this picture. This is a church. Chloe and her mother go to church. Then they both are all in front of church. Okay. See, this is a church. Then Chloe, what do you call this building? Chloe question to her mom. What do you call this building? Asked Mrs. Cheryl. What do you call this building? Asked Mrs. Cheryl to her mother. Why it's church? Replied Chloe. Why it's church? Chloe replied. What do you call this building? Asked Mrs. Cheryl. Here. Mrs. Cheryl asked to Chloe. What do you call this building? We called ಈ ಒಂದು building ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತಿ? Why it's church? Replied Chloe. Reply to her mother. Why it's church? ಯಾಕೆ church ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Then and what sound does church begin with? And then her mother said to Chloe. And what sound does church begin with? What sound? What sound does church begin with? Church begin with sound is also CH. Okay, chair. C and chair word CH. Okay, next with C, chair as in child. Then CH. Okay, CH and CH same letter begin. Okay, church and child. Okay, child. CH child. Okay, CH and CH. Begin words is same, but another words was changed and pronunciation was changed here with CH as in child. CH church child. Church child. Okay. Now look at that board. Now you look at that board, said Mrs. Cheryl. Okay, Mrs. Cheryl said to Chloe, look at that board. Okay, see, all of you look at this board. Okay, look at this board. All of you see your textbook. This is that board. Okay, her mother said to Chloe, look at that board. Okay. Then that board, see, Shri Christopher Cathedral, chaplain, Rev. Father John, and chore practice every Friday 6 p.m. Okay, this is board. Next here, she pointed to a big red board in the church ad. On it there were written types of church services and also the name of the chaplain. At the bottom were the words. See here, when she means Chloe and her mother go to church, and then her mother said to Chloe, look at that board, look at that board. When she was look at that board, and then she pointed to a big red board in the churchyard. Churchyard means compound, okay, church compound, and head of the church. She pointed, she see that big red board. On it there were a written times of a church service. What is the meaning of service? Prayers. Okay, that board written times of a church service, and also the name of the chaplain. Chaplain means Christian priest, and then at the bottom were the words. See here, that board, write on the board. What that write? See here, there were written, write the times of church services, and also the name of the chaplain. Means Christian priest, and church services means prayers. Okay, services means prayers, and write the times of church prayers, and also the name of Christian priest, and the bottom we are the words, and bottom we bear the words. Okay, chore practice. Chore means a group of singers in a church service. Okay, ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಲ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಡ ಆಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಗಿಟಾರನ್ನು ಬಾರಿಸ್ತಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಾಡ ಆಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಚೋರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡ ಹಾಡುವುದು, ಚರ್ಚ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಡ ಹಾಡುವುದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಚೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ 6 PM ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಚರ್ಚ್. ಚೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ 6 PM. Okay, Chloe read the words carefully. At first she sounded the ch in chore as ch in chap, but her mother helped her and she was able to say the word properly. See here, Chloe read the words carefully. Chloe read the all words carefully in that board. Then at first she sounded the ch. She sounded the ch in chore. As a ch in chap. Chore, ch in chap. But her mother helped. That time her mother helped to Chloe, helped her, and she was able to say the word. Properly. When her mother was helped to her, that time she was able to say the word properly. Well, that's not a chore, that's not a quail. See here, CHOIR. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, CHOIR ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಚೋರ್ ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, KY ಓಕೆ, ಅವನ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಹಿಯರ್ ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಸ್ಲೋ ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ಕ್ಲೋ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಚೋರ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. She was able to say the word properly. That proper word quail. Okay, that proper word quail. Then now here mother pointed to the top of the board. That red board on church ad. Chloe read the words slowly. Then Chloe read the words slowly with her mother's help. Then she was read that board carefully. Read that board slowly with her mother help. Okay, see here students, now we will stop the lesson. Remaining lesson we will continue next class. In this class we will learn what we learn. When she was cross, all her friends and her teacher is also teased. That time she was very angry because why my parents gave this name. Okay, then she was go to home. Her mother asked her to Chloe. what has happened? That time she was told all matter in school. Then her mother go to outside. Her mother and Chloe go to outside and talking with walking with talking. That time go to church and she explained to about church, and then she was help to her mother. Then she was read that board, church board on churchyard. Okay, that red board. Okay, now we will stop the lesson. Remaining lesson we will continue next class. So thank you all of you. Write in your book, write in your home. Okay, all of you write at your home this lesson. Okay, thank you.